Hi everyone, we have a challenge lock today. This is Baldiloks number 2. That's the bitting on the key. It's 5 pins. Originally an ESO lock. Works very smoothly, no hangs on it. Anything. Tension's going on the pin side. I'm picking using this hook. Light tension to start with. Just take all the pins. A little bit of movement on the back pin there. So a slight turn on the core from pin 4. So counter rotation of pin 2. A bit on pin 1. Okay, feedback on pin 3 there. Okay, false set of pin 4 again. And spool at the back, I think. I think it's pin 5, not the pin 4. There we go. That's it picked open. Alright, so here are the pins. I did the gutting off camera. That was problematic, so I'm not going to include that in the video. Let's go through the pins quickly. All standard pins. You've got an offset spool in chamber 1, standard in 2, another offset spool in 3, a nice triple serrated pin in 4, and a T-pin in 5. That was causing the problems in the gutting. It was slipping into the circuit groove there, and I didn't have a shim to circumvent that, so I had to go through a rather convoluted process of gutting. You can have a look at the core. You've got counter milling on chamber 1, 2 is standard, 3 and 4 are threaded, and you've got a counter sinking on chamber 5. The shell is, I don't know if I can get the light in there, it's all standard anyway, as far as I can tell. So there you go guys, that's Baldiloks number 2. Thanks for watching.